I think it's 6-4 ends in.
Is it the rutted?
Yeah.
SP637402.
That one.
That one. That one.
Ready?
Steady.
How did them logs get there?
Oh, better put my belt on. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck?
If a woodchuck could chuck wood. This is pretty.
This is a nice one. I feel like I'm going to get my extra fries in.
I think so too. It's alright, it means that tomorrow I'll end up doing it all. You'll be driving.
Because all the ones that we'll go to won't have gates.
Yeah, probably. The thoughts there.
Oh, I see blackberries. I feel like these are lots of blackberries. I feel like I'm a blackberry hunt.
A little bit. You have to let me know if you want me to blackberry. Want me to stop.
I feel like we could flog them on eBay. By the way, I hope none of these are locked.
Orcs.
Otherwise it could get very orcs.
3.10.
Love to see you 3.10 in this area.
I'd do it.
Look, more blackberries.
Oh,
They're ripe as well.
you're obsessed.
A little bit. More windy mills. Are they saying windy mills? Oh wow, that's an epic view.
I think we're just seeing them from different points of view.
I want to go through this gate and hopefully there's a nice place to stop.
Maybe. Can you unlock that?
No.
Oh wow, look at this. Bumpy.
Oh, I can't because I'm doing
Oh
your
look. Well,
Oh,
you feel it.
nice.
There you go.
Yep, we levelled it out.
I'm not really going to go and pet the sheep, so they'll probably eat me.
Probably. Can you imagine if they're rams?
Stop ramming the car.
Well, I'm more thinking of me when I open this gate.
Good point.
Can't let the sheeps out.
Be safe and
Oh, could you imagine if like a sheep come up? I'd be like, no, go in.
Where does the road go? That one looks like a ram.
Little bit.
Staring at you.
Goodbye.
Where do you drive? That sheep is 100% gonna like run at him. I'll be shocked if not. It's like avoid eye contact with the sheep. I think the sheep might do a charge. Hey yo sheep. Hey yo. Oh, just so many of them.
The sheep went meh.
That's what a cow makes, isn't it?
No, it definitely went meh.
Oh. I was talking to that sheep.
How was you?
Yeah, I thought it was going to run it. Do you think it'll go that way?
It goes around here, I believe. Well, that's where the tyre tracks seem to suggest. There's a farmer doing
Farmering. Plowing?
combining.
Combining. Look at all the sheep. They're like, oh yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing there?
It's having its munchies laying down.
Do you think it's like, are you here to feed us because it's the wrong time? Don't get lost in the field.
I'm not.
I'll press the buttons for you, don't worry.
It's going quite fine, thank you.
Yeah, then you just... Not in mud mode, remember? Oh.
Oof.
Oh, I actually thought it was going to catch. Hi, bush.
It's quite cool.
I feel like this one, if it wet, you'd end up just
Yeah.
sliding.
I think so.
Oh, the picture.
Take a picture.
Why are you giving it to me?
Oh yeah, good point.
I don't need it.
Forgot.
You keep giving it to me.
Oopsie. Is this really where it goes?
Apparently, well, this looks to be the tracks. I can't see any other tracks. And to be fair, going around the outside of the field would be the most logical thing. Either that or it's the farmer's tracks.
That's what I thought.
See? Meh. I didn't realise just how undulated the countryside is around this way.
Northamptonshire is quite a hilly little place.
It's when we arrive at the farmer's house.
Probably.
But like lunchtime.
Yeah.
What's for lunch?
Eee.
Did that catch you out?
Little bit.
Ooh.
Cute.
Oh, I was waiting for you to catch them and go straight into this. Do you want mud mode yet?
I think I'll be okay. I'm gonna go. Can't see where the ruts are because of the grass.
No.
And that felt like that was getting quite deep.
Oh no. I like how you have to peer over the steering wheel. Do you want to lift the seat up as well?
No, it's just because it's the way that it was dragging it in. It's like, okay.
I'm going to buy you a booster seat.
Yeah. No, it's just to get the best view of like directly in front of us, that's all.
Thumbs are obviously outside the steering wheel, aren't they?
I'd rather do that than not and then be like, oh bugger, screw up.
We did a whoopsie.
Exactly. Ooh, dippy.
What, you're the road?
Oof.
Wee, that was good. I like this one.
That was a good dip.
That was a good dip.
So many sheeps.
I feel like the car's having to do a little bit of work this time.
Tiny bit.
All I ever do is work. So quiet. You can have a nice picnic. Like if the farmer didn't mind and the sheep didn't mind.
Yeah. Oh look, another gate.
Could you imagine like the sheep coming up and nicking your pork pie?
Gutting, wouldn't it?
It'd be the best thing they've ever eaten.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks like it could be fun. It's when you've plotted one down, you're like, I regret my decision. It's much better with two people.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what that was. Goodbye.
Goodbye. This one looks a bit more complicated.
Yeah.
Go.
Thank you.
Might work, might not, I'm not sure. Didn't work, did it?
No. Owie. All went wrong.
Impaled on the seatbelt.
A little bit.
Got flies coming in my window.
We got
I almost left you behind.
a little bit. We got pull on the tyre.
Oh, no me. No me. That's not the right one.
Yeah, me.
I tried to shut the window and stop
good
flies
flies.
coming in. It's come in.
We got a few outside the window.
Coming, yeah, that was what I was trying to stop because
Got
they were
their
coming
comms
in.
off.
No, it's okay. I'm trying to just let this fly out.
Well, it's over this side.
Yeah, there's one over this
Oh,
side. Oh, there
there's
must be two.
There you go. That's one at
How'd
least.
you go? Oh.
Oh no, there's another one here.
Yeah, there's one buzzing around my head.
Oh no, there's three. It's getting worse. Flygate. But just turn that off. It's when we're driving home, we're like 19 flies in the car.
Probably.
Yeah, another one's come to join the party.
Hawks.
I think
Done a lot of work around here.
I think they've dredged the ditch,
Dredged.
or like scooped it out. Fly just flying around. Ooh. Maybe I'll look at Trailwise to make sure we're on the right track. Maybe we could do your window. We're on the right sort of path because I just said please close the gate.
Oh, did it?
It didn't say get off my land. Or
I was like, you've gone wrong.
exactly.
Oh, wow, that'd be good.
Beautiful.
Quite rutty, isn't it?
A little bit. Oh, that breeze is nice.
Guess you didn't have a hay fever tablet this morning then.
Yeah. Why would you do that?
Tell me I'm not a genius.
You're a genius. Yeah, we're on the right track. I think it's picked us up.
Yay. I don't think you can go too far wrong, to be fair.
Nah, a bit of common sense.
Exactly.
But it's just making sure you're not upsetting anyone. It's like it might be pure accident and all that, but even so, it's like if you're on a farmer's bit of land, they're going to be a bit annoyed. We're here to enjoy the countryside, not to upset.
It was you.
Don't know what that was.
Sounded like it was farting.
A little bit. Maybe trees fart nowadays.
Maybe.
Trees are green.
Red roses too. I see them blue.
get stuck. And I think to myself, why did we do this?
Oh, boy, love.
Oh, you're in the rut now. You're going to pop the tyre. That's exactly what I thought you was going to do earlier.
Perfectly controlled, thank you.
Yeah. Your face told me otherwise when it gripped.
Noise you made told me otherwise. Serious?
It says no, go in the ruts. Please be in the ruts.
I don't mind being in the ruts, but with how deep that is.
I don't feel we've got much choice up here. Whee!
Going in the ruts. I give up. I'm in the ruts. There you go, it's not too bad now.
No.
It was just how rutted that was. That looked like it would be enough to sort of potentially catch a bit too much.
I like this lane. This lane feels just a little bit more challenging than the rest.
It looks like there's like nothing above the field.
I know. You can see why farmers enjoy their job so much
yeah,
when you're out in the middle of nowhere, no one to hassle you, and you've got views like that you can have your lunch at while you work. Especially days like today. Blackberries.
You're obsessed.
Maybe you can stop here, get a nice picture off the front of the bonnet. Don't know if it'll work, but another gate coming up anyway.
Off the front of the bonnet?
Yeah, kind of looking that way. Like, put the belt on for the short ride, up to the gate, take it off, do the gate.
Sad for you. Do you want to drive?
No, you're doing a good job.
You just like laughing at me when I pull for the faces.
Exactly. It was kind of funny
I'm
though.
panicking when like you think I'm about to crash into a fence.
Well, I go off visual cues, right? And you might have felt I'm well in control of this, but your face that you put out, went,
but I've
holy smokes,
well, the thing
it's gripped.
I was going to say it snatched quicker than I expected, but at the same time, I knew that when it snatched, I was ready for it too, if you know what I mean.
Good news. We didn't crash and we haven't died.
Let's be realistic. I've got one of those faces that's never reassuring anyway, have I?
Oh look, they put a nice little posted bit for us. This is your area.
Yeah.
Keep off the
Do you
rest
think they've
of
had
it.
issues with people going the wrong way?
I can imagine so.
Do I go for the little gate or the big?
Yeah, go for the little one.
Yeah.
It's when this one's locked.
Probably.
Ooh, might be able to get myself a few blackberries.
It's funny, it's looking at them and working out which way they open.
Exactly. Goodbye again.
Bye, see you later.
See you later.
Oh, it's like the juicy one this side, told you. The GoPro's still running. Yeah, I'm gonna get it to get
It was dry poo.
To wipe your fuel. Get your fuel.
Yep. Back again.
Welcome back.
Some car smells hot. Why is that one not doing windmilling?
Having a snooze.
Is it running?
Yeah, I never turned it off. Because I was going to get you getting your blackberries and you forgot your blackberries.
Yeah, because they were quite far in.
Oh, effort.
Plus, technically, like the farmer could be farming them.
Oh,
It might be a sideline business.
might be.
It's a nice view, isn't it?
It is a very nice view, that's why I just took a picture graph. Look at the view that way.
Belt. Don't want it dinging at us. Didn't realise quite so scenic.
I know. It's because we're not that close to home.
We can do this again.
We can do this again.
Oh wow. This looks like
So
fun.
pretty. We take a picture at us. I said, do you want to take a picture?
Yeah, but you're moving.
Oh. No, I meant while we're moving.
Oh. Yeah, but you can do the ones of, like when we're stopped in the car. Whee.
Going down.
Going down, down, and down. Going down, swimming.
I didn't know the word, so I just thought that
Of course you
the
didn't.
word.
You never know the words.
I sometimes do.
Do you think our fence is electrocuted?
Touch it and see.
Ah,
The fence is electrocuted.
exactly.
I hate it when my fence gets electrocuted.
I hate it too.
Kind of looks like it blends into the grass, so it kind of looks like you could drive into it.
Yes. I appreciate the byway.
Call it bridle way to Honey Hill. That sounds cute.
Do you think there's honey at the hill?
Does make you wonder, where does it get its name from?
Honey, honey.
Guess what's coming up, Scott? Oh, sugar, sugar. There's a gate coming up.
Oh, yay. I'm loving life.
You said you liked this, like we could do this
Yeah,
again.
exactly.
But I think when you say that, you mean we could do this again as long as you're driving and I'm doing the gates.
Or we just leave all the gates open like irresponsible
Yeah,
people.
totes. That'd be annoying.
Wouldn't it? Blackberries.
You're obsessed.
Says you staring at
They
them.
look like good ones, actually.
Exactly.
Is that a road coming up? Are we coming up to a road?
I think so.
This one opens inwards, so I better not stop too close.
When you slide into it. Goodbye.
Conservation area.
Be conservation.
Be conservation.
Be safe. Be careful. Be conservation.
Yeah, totes. These blackberries aren't very ripe.
Oh no.
Ground nesting birds, not tree nesting birds.
Yeah.
I always thought they nested in trees, not
This
grounds.
is called Jurassic Way.
Oh, I think that's quite a well walked thing in this part of the woods, neck of the woods. What the saying is. There's another gate coming up, Scott. Look.
Oh yay! Because obviously there needs to be a gate for this
How
little
many
section.
gates has there been on this one little thing?
I do wonder why, because I've not seen any animals or anything to get out.
Unless they do sometimes a year.
Maybe.
It's like those sheeps. Do they move the sheeps?
I'm sure there's perfectly valid reasons. I'm not going to argue.
I can't call a pack of sheeps anything less than sheeps ever since watching that Clarkson's Farm.
Oh no!
It's like, it always used to be sheep, didn't it?
Yeah.
But now, ever since watching that, it's always sheeps. More than one sheep is a sheep's.
Yep, indeed it is. I'm knackered.
Okay.
Need a nap now.
Good night.
Good night.
Do you want me to do this gate?
No, I'm on it. Getting my steps in. Nope, got to fly.
You gonna fly?
Yeah, I'm gonna fly. Go away. Which way does this one open?
It's not shut properly.
Oh,
no,
no.
it is shut properly. The latch is there. I think this is going to open inwards, isn't it?
Happy for me.
Looks like it.
Goodbye.